Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Recorded. Live Good morning everyone. So welcome sa ating Live Good Opportunity presentation right now, and I'm excited to share with you na napagandang opportunity, and indeed pinagkakaguluhan hindi lang po dito sa Pilipinas kundi ng buong mundo sa industriya ng direct selling. Alright, and tatlong bagay po yung madidiscover natin later on. Number one, yung company. Okay, na sinasabi ko sa inyo na grabe po talaga yung sumasali every single day kasi nga sobrang ganda ng konsepto niya. Okay? And number two, ma-discover din natin yung products na abay, grabe. Okay? High quality, okay, top grade, and at the same time, of course, natural, and ang malupit nun kasi very affordable. Yes, literal. Okay? So, isi-share ko rin mamaya. And number three, ma-discover nyo po yung concept ng negosyong ito at paano mo ba matitake advantage ang ganitong klaseng konsepto ng business. Alright? So, hopefully ready na kayo, and thank you so much nga pala sa pag tune in nyo ngayon. And I know our time is very valuable. May kasabihan nga nun na time is gold, therefore time is money. Alright? And later on, syempre, I'll make it sure na pag tinapos mo ang ating presentation ngayon is that magkakaroon ka talaga ng value sa pakikinig sa akin. Alright? So hopefully that you are ready, and kung ano man ginagawa nyo ngayon, so mas maganda, focus muna kayo. Okay? Para syempre, ma-absorb nyo talaga yung mga pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Kasi mahirap yan, no, na naka-tune in ka nga pero hindi mo naman nakukuha, na-absorb. Kumbaga, this kumbaga BMT cup. Yan, para masalo mo yung mga isi-share ko sa inyo ngayon. Lalo na pag first timer ka. Yan, okay? So, hopefully ready ka na. So, yan, before nyan is syempre magpapakilala muna tayo. Yan, sino ba yung cute at poging coach? Ayan. So, ako may control ngayon, no, sa audio. Ayan, so sino ba yung daldal ng daldal sa inyong harapan ngayon. Ayan. Okay, so hello sa inyong lahat. Welcome. I'm Coach Mark Nael Dagastas, 22 years of age and one of the Live Good pillar. And actually, lahat po tayo dito at sa mga sasali pa lang ay nasa pillar stage pa lang tayo. Kumbaga, parang posti pa lang po. Okay? That means na nasa first 2 years pa lang po tayo, okay, na naitayo yung company. Right? And I'm also a professional network marketer, so kahit pa paano meron na tayong experience sa ganitong industry, so naging ano na tayo, kumbaga masusi na tayo sa pagpili ng isang company. Right? And nakita natin itong company ito is that pasok sa ating hinahanap. Ayan. Okay? So, ayan, blessed din po tayo kasi part po tayo ng Youngest Speakers Bureau sa DMW. Yan, okay. So, nakapag-inspire tayo and nakakatulong din tayo sa ibang tao na mag-share ng kaalaman with regards of our business. And right now, full-time ko na pong ginagawa itong company, itong opportunity na meron na i-share ko sa inyo, okay? Which is itong si Live Good. And I'm the founder of Zeal Empire and currently a platinum rank. Yan. So, very soon, in God's will, yan, hit na po natin ang ating next rank, which is Diamond. Yan. Manifesting. Okay? So, yan. Let's proceed. Ayan. So, welcome everyone. Welcome to Live Good. Ito pa yung company na sinasabi ko sa inyo na, abay, talaga namang disruption, no? The great disruption. Okay? Hindi na po siya yung traditional na kasanayan natin na mga direct sales company and breaking the records po actually yung ginawa ng company ito, which later on i-discuss ko rin sa inyo. Okay? So, yan, disclaimer, the information provided in this presentation does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. Yan, and I myself, hindi rin po ako financial advisor, ha? And you should treat any content as such. Nothing in this presentation should be taken as an offer to buy, sell, or hold a cryptocurrency. So, di po tayo nagtatrade dito. Ang ginagawa po natin is, ano lang po yan, gateway ng pag-pay in or pag-cash out. Yan, ang crypto. So, wala po tayong crypto trading dito or investment. Alright? And of course, take note that Live Good is not an investment company. Okay, ulitin ko, hindi po ito investment. Kung naghahanap ka ng investment company, well, you are in the wrong presentation kasi business opportunity po ang ina-attendan nyo ngayon. Okay, para lang may set natin yung tamang expectation. Okay po ba? Yan. So, it is illegal for a promoter or participant in a program to persuade anyone to make a payment promising benefits from getting others to join. So, what tayong pinapromise dito na within this short period of time is that kikita kaagad ng limpak-limpak na salapi. So, okay, ang result natin dito ay dedepende sa sipag natin, sa tiyaga, and of course, sa oras na ilalaan natin dito. Right? So, do not be misled by claims that high earnings are easily achieved. So, later on, meron akong i-share sa inyo ng mga slide na as a proof, no, na may mga kumikita talaga dito, but it doesn't mean na pag ginawa mo rin to, magiging ganun din yung result mo, kaagad. Right? So, depende po yan. So, kung mas masipag ka, edi possible. Alright? Pero, it does not guarantee na within ilang buwan lang, ganun din resulta mo. So, hindi po. Okay? So, depende again yan sa ating effort. Okay? So, para, set natin yung tamang expectations. Alright? So, you must do your own independent research prior to engaging in any kind of business activity, including any activity when you have expectations of specific high results or any financial returns. In short, mag-research ka. Kung duda ka, natatakot ka, baka ma-scam, isipin mong pyramiding to, budol, or whatever, no? So, mas maganda, ikaw na mismo mag-research. So, libre lang naman po mag-research eh. But since andito ka na, patapusin mo na lang ito. Alright? Para mas maintindihan mo talaga galing sa mga nandito na. Kasi baka ma-misinform ka lang. Alright? So, okay. Pero again, hindi kita pipigilan. Research ka pa rin para mas, sigurado ka sa decision mo na gawin ito. Alright? So, yan. Let's proceed, no? So, hopefully, mapatapos po ito kasi I know sobrang marami kang value na makukuha dito. And lalo na, syempre, pagka first-timers mong nakapag-tune in ngayon. Okay? So, let's proceed. Ngayon, meron muna akong i-share sa inyo na short video wherein nandito po nagsasalita ang ating CEO, si Ben Glinsky. Okay? So, Nandito po yung kanyang kumbaga short o kumbaga bird's eye view kung sino at kung ano ba talaga si Live Good. Right? So para meron kayong idea, okay, so ipa-play lang po muna natin to, short video lang to, around mga 5 minutes mahigit, right? And yan para meron kayong overview about Live Good. Okay? So let's watch this short video of our CEO Ben Glinsky.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
All right, see you all at the top. Ayan. So, ayan nga, no? At least ngayon, meron na kayong konting idea kung sino at kung ano ba talaga si Live Good. And, of course, ngayon mismo sa ating presentation, ipapaliwanag natin kung ano ba yung sinabi ng ating CEO si Ben. Alright? So, let's proceed. Okay, so welcome again, everyone, sa ating breakthrough opportunity right now. Wherein ito pong tinatawag na Live Good. Okay, so Live Good officially launched globally on December 13, 2022. So, as of today, 13 months mahigit pa lang po si Live Good. Okay? So, we are still at the pillar stage, no? Ayan. So, Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in these two things, the wellness and digital service industry. So, alam naman natin na billions or should I say trillions of dollars itong mga industry ito. Diba? So, wellness, health is wealth. So, hindi na yan bago. Okay? As long as may tao, kailangan magpaka-healthy. Alright? Ayan, kailangan natin lagyan ng ating health. And of course, the digitalization, so halos lahat online na, no? So hindi natin mapipigilan ang rapid growth ng technology. Right? So yan po ay yan yung focus po ng ating company. And ang ating fulfillment center po ay nasa Jupiter Park, Florida. Alright, so Live Good is a club membership that pays. Ayan, so sa mga hindi pa alam kung anong club membership, so kayo mag-alala, later on, i-share ko po sa inyo. Okay, ano ba itong club membership na to? Ano ba itong makabagong konsepto? Ayan, na meron itong company ito. Bakit angat ito sa iba? Alright? So, yan. Live Good, unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced products. While maraming mga companies out there, nagsisitaasan na yung prices ng kanilang mga products. Right? So, marami kasing factor yan. Pero dito, we are about saving people money on health products. Okay? So, yan po yung ating ay maganda dito sa ating company. So, ngayon, if you have a passion for health and wellness, then this is for you. If you have a passion for helping people, then this is also for you. And if you're not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then definitely this is for you. Kaya tune in ka lang, don't tune out. Alright. So ngayon, bigyan lang kita ng awareness that Live Good is not like any other Jurassic, Gigantic, or mga traditional na mga direct selling or MLM companies. Okay? So, ibahin niyo po ito. Okay? So, ano bang pinagkaiba sa Live Good tsaka sa mga traditional? So, bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea. Actually, marami. But I'll give you at least 9. Okay? So, number 1, may product package. So, kumbaga, kasali mo pa lang, nabentahan ka na kaagad. Right? And mostly, may mga products din sa mga package na yan na hindi mo pa kailangan. Okay? Pero wala kang choice dahil kasama siya sa package. Okay? So, makukuha mo talaga siya. Right? And mostly pa ng mga packages na yan, aminin man natin sa hindi, overpriced po. Okay? Overpriced po talaga as in. Okay? Yan. So, bigyan ko kayo ng explanation later on kung bakit overpriced. Ganon pag traditional. Number 3, left and right pairing system. So, actually, hindi naman po tayo, what do you call this one? Hindi tayo hindi natin binabash or di tayo against yan. Marami din namang kumita. Alright? Marami din namang pinayaman yan. Pero may downside din kasi yan. Alright? So, pag ganyang sistema, pag isa lang yung leg gumagalaw sa'yo, wala kang kikitain. Alright? So, ganun po siya. So, hindi balance, hindi pantay. Okay? Ayan. And number 4, may monthly maintenance on Unilevel. Ang matindi nun, ang mahal ng maintenance every single month. Kahit bago ka or lalo na pagka matagal ka na, naku, ang laki. May narinig ako no na yung may iba mayroong tig 2,500, may iba 3,000, 5,000. Meron namang iba 9,000 every month. Kaya mo bilhin products, depende sa account or sa laki ng package na kinuha mo. Ayun, di ba? Okay, so yan po, mabigat po talaga. And number 5, may 5th pair incentive. Kumbaga, kita mo na, ginawa pang points. Diba? And number 6, may limit of encoding. Ayan, so yun yung masaklap, no? So, instead na mag-momentum na, dahil nga pigil, walang magagawa, di ba? Pigil talaga. Okay, yung tao hindi makakalipad. Okay, bakit? Kasi nga, safety net po yun ng company. Mostly lang dito, local companies, ganun po siya. Alright? And, bakit ganun din? Kasi may isang reason din yun. Okay? May tinatawag tayong, yun nga, safety net, or in other words, may tinatawag na flush out. Yan. Okay? O sa mga ano natin dyan, kapwa MLMers. Okay? Yung naka-experience sa traditional, no? Kumbaga, yung safety net pagka bigyan kayo ng sample, no, pagka sumobra kasi sa encode, for example, yung maximum lang is 5, ngayon nag-6 ka, okay, tapos yung kabila mo sobrang lakas, meron kang waiting to be paired na sabihin natin 50, 100,000, iba nga million, okay, dahil sobrang lakas ng kabila, tapos yung kabila naman yung either left or right, basta yung kabila na sakto lang yung galawan, pag sumobra sila sa pag-encode, bang, flash out. That means na kahit magkano pa yan, 50, 100, or even millions pa man yan, back to zero yan. You know, yun yung masaklap, no? Yung ilang buwan mong pinaghirapan, isang lang, pagkakamali, hindi man sa'yo, pwedeng sa team or sa leader mo, wala. Back to zero yan. Okay? So, yun yung masaklap. Alright? Kumbaga, yung feeling na i-motivate mo na lang yung grupo mo, yung leaders mo, okay lang yan, di ba? Babawi na lang. Pero pati ikaw, lumoral ka na din kasi syempre ilang buwan mo yung pinaghirapan, di ba? So ganun pag traditional talaga, especially pag local company. Alright? And number 8, unexplained deductions. We don't know kung totoo ba talaga yan, no? Yung mga miscellaneous fees, processing fees. Okay? And number 9, high attrition. Dahil nga sa mga reasons na sinabi ko sa inyo, marami talaga ang mga nag-quit. Yan. Okay. So, mga reasons na yan po ay obsolete na. Okay. Kumbaga, old model na po yan. Okay. Kumbaga sa cellphone pa, keypad. Okay. Yun pa yung mga panahon ng keypad. Alright. So, mayroon na tayong makabagong technology of doing the business wherein andito na po si Live Good, the club membership that pays. Alright. So, ano bang meron dito? Okay. So, ngayon, kabaliktaran po. Ayan, okay dito, sabihin ko na sa inyo. Okay, so wala na ditong product package. Wala nang product package dito guys ha. So hindi ka dito bebentahan. Sabihin na, bigyan kita ng awareness. Hindi ka dito bebentahan ha. Okay, hindi ka na dito pagbebentahan. Okay, once na maging affiliate member ka. Alright, and wala na tayong overpriced products. Wow, the best, diba? Talagang literal, very affordable. Okay, and of course, wala na tayong left and right. Good news. Okay, so hindi mo na kailangang balansehin yung legs mo para kumita. And number 4, wala na tayong mahal na monthly maintenance sa Unilevel. Ayan, okay. So hindi ka na dito magme-maintenance ng napakalaking halaga para ma-qualify sa commission and sa position. Yan. And number 5, of course, wala tayong 5th pair incentive dito. Lahat pure earnings. And number 6, unlimited, guys. Yun yung na-enjoy ko kasi yung mga team natin, lilipad po talaga. Ayan, yung mga leaders dito, especially yung mga nag-experience na lipad po talaga. Okay? Kasi, syempre, unlimited yung code. Kahit ilan yung code mo. One to sawa. Alright? Ayan. And number 7, of course, wala na po tayong flash out. Okay? Great. Good news po yan. Hindi nga na dito mababahala and of course, stress-free. Di ba? And number 8, wala na tayong unexplained deduction. So, lahat po ay nandun po sa back office natin. So, pinapaliwanag po yan. Okay? Meron po yung explanation. Okay? If meron man, di ba? Mga deductions. Okay? Ayan. And number 9, kabaliktaran po, high stickability. Ayan. Yung mga tao nag-stay once they understand the concept of the business. Okay? Kasi nga, ang gaan. Hindi na siya again yung traditional na selling company. Okay? Kumbaga, ito yung bagong technology. The iPhone. Yan. Yung iPhone, Samsung, di ba? Yan. Okay? New technology na po ito. And I'll give you some reasons din, aside dun sa sinabi ko kanina, ito yung mga some reasons bakit mo to gagawin? Bakit i-consider mo to as your, side hustle, alright? Or full-time, depende sa choice mo. Okay? So number 1, we have this amazing product. So later on, i-share ko sa inyo kung gaano ka-amazing products natin. Number 2, incredible yung prices. Aside from amazing, kasi alam naman natin, no, once na sinasabi nating US company, nako, dolyar yan. Dolyar din yung presyuhan. Mahal in short. No? Ayan. Pero dito magugulat ka. US-based company, pero very affordable yung mga products natin. Ayan, kaya nga napa-order tayo ng marami. Okay? Ayan, nung kumita na po tayo, no? Ayan. And number 3, no auto shipping. So, hindi ka na dito pipilitin na bumili every single month. And number 4, hindi ka na dito po pipilitin bumili every single month ng products para ka lang ma-qualify sa position or sa commission mo. Wala na po yan dito. Okay? So, wala kang dapat ikabahala. And number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. Ayan. Okay? So, this pertains to regard sa ating, sa ating products. Okay? Within 90 days, pag di mo nagustuhan yung product, okay, so pwede mong isauli yung lalagyan. No questions asked, ibabalik sa'yo yung pera mo. Amazing, di ba? Ganon tayo ka-confident. Of course, protection din yan sa mga natin, sa mga users natin. Okay? And number 6, number 1, business to join. Ayan, di ba? So, number 1, business to join po talaga siya. Okay? Kasi nga, okay, disruption po talaga, complete evolution yung ginawa ng company ito. Okay? So, tune in ka lang kasi later on, mas papaliwanag po natin ito. Okay? So, ito, bigyan ko kayo ng idea, no? Pwede kayo mag-research itong business for home. Parang Forbes magazine po ito ng direct selling. So, nagkaroon po ng voting last year ng top direct selling plan. Okay? And to tell you, kabago-bago lang nito Live Good. I think 3-4 months pa lang. And malupit. Buong mundo yan ha. 750 plus companies na nominate dyan and nag-top 5 po si Live Good. So there must be something in this company kasi ang bago lang, di ba? Iba, 10, 20, 30, even 50 years na po sa industry. Okay? O, ano pa? Yan, itong ating yan, the most trusted direct sales company of 2023. Yan, okay? So, kung kanina top 5 ngayon, top 2 na po. Ayan. So, may kasabihan nga dito, no need to believe what I say. Let's see what the people say. Live Good is one or the most trusted company of 2023 and of course, 2024. Okay? Ayan. So, pinagkakatiwalaan siya kasi nga, value and affordability talaga yung ina-offer ng company ito. Okay? Ayan. So, ano pa? Alright? O, ito naman, nung nakaraang buwan lang, yan nung November, so, top direct selling companies of 2024. Kanina top 2 ngayon. Top 1 na po, si Live Good. Okay? So, may kakaiba po talaga sa kumpanyang ito. Okay? So, ngayon, kung curious ka, of course, pag mag-alala, i-explain din natin yan kung anong meron sa Live Good, bakit yun, ganun na lang yung naging track record niya. Alright, so ano bang mission natin? To help people get healthy and wealthy. Okay? And stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Okay? Na hindi ka gagastos, hindi masasaktan yung wallet mo at hindi mabubutas yung bulsa mo para lang magpa-healthy. Okay? Simple, di ba? Simple but yet powerful. Okay, so meet our Live Good corporate team. Ayan, ang ating CEO, si Ben Glinsky. So may 20 years na po siya of experience of running and owning of some of the most successful companies. Ayan. Okay, sabi pa dito, with over 50 years combined experience of our corporate team have led us a record-breaking growth and success in the industry in less than a year. Yes po. Okay? So sa CEO pa lang po natin, no, malupit kasi kung titingnan mo yung track record, marami na po yung kanyang natulungan mga tao. Alright? And hindi lang yan, no? syempre, very hands-on and alam niya po yung ginagawa talaga niya. Alright? And yung puso niya na tumulong sa tao is andyan po talaga makikita nyo, maririnig nyo. Okay? Ayan. Oh, in fact, no, sabi pa nga doon sa video niya, close to $1 billion ang kanyang na-payout niya ng commission in his previous companies. Alright? And ginawa po itong Live Good kasi gusto niyang mas matulungan pa ang masses. Okay? You know, yung mga everyday na mga tao. Alright? And kasama po nila yung ating mga product formulator and product educator po. Yan si Ryan Goodkin and Lisa Goodkin. So mag-partner po yan sila, the husband and wife, no, na nag-educate sa atin and of course nag-formulate din ng mga products. High quality and of course top grade and malupit kasi of course affordable. And hindi rin basta-basta guys, kanilang background. Okay? So para mas malaman nyo, nasa ano po natin, nasa back office po natin, nasa website. Pwede nyo pong tingnan doon. So hindi po basta-basta. So alam po nila yung ginagawa nila kasi years din ang kanilang experience with regard sa sa health side, yan, sa mga nutritional products, ayan, sa pharmacy. So alam po nila yung mga maganda at hindi. Okay? Ayan. And ating Director of Network Marketing si Noder. So legend na po ito. So sila po, actually siya po yung nag-push po kay Ben na lumabas sa retirement kasi magre-retire na po yung ating CEO. Okay, kasi hindi niya nagustuhan yung numbers po ng industry. Kahit anong tweak niya, pero parang parang kukunti pa rin yung niya, yung nakuha niyang goal na maraming matulungan. Okay? So yun, nagawa itong Live Good kasi he wants to help those 90% everyday people. Ayan. Bonus na lang yung 10% na mga 5 to 10% na mga leaders. Okay? So yan po. So kung bakit ganun yung natin, record breaking, nagawa ng company in less than a year, okay? Kasi dahil dito sa mga taong to. Sabi pa nga, true leadership creates true success. Alright. So ngayon, bigyan kayo ng idea, no? Alam nyo ba, si Amazon started selling books in 1995. No? So, in 1995 pala, ay hindi kagad yung nakikita natin sa online na mga gamit, na mga appliances or mga gadget, nakikita natin mga libro. Okay? Ayan, si Amazon po, si Jeff, okay, nagsimula, syempre, meron yung available lang sa kanya is libro. Alright? So, nakita kasi niya yung power ng online eh. Alright? Ayan. So ngayon, unti-unti, okay, binibenta niya yung mga libro online. Okay, pero look at them right now. Now Amazon sells almost anything under the sun. Okay? Ayan, imagine mo yan. Ngayon, tayo din, nagsimula din tayo. Hindi naman lahat kaagad. Okay, Live Good launches the membership club with the best physician grade. Yan, physician grade nutritional products, which is very kailangan talaga natin, tayo mga tao. Alright? Ayan, and to tell you, okay, Live Good will add products and services from other industries are well. Okay, like solar services, like travel, yung mga hotel savings card. Ayan, and to tell you guys, this is another big thing. Okay? Okay, this will be a big thing, should I say? Okay? Ayan. The Amazon. Okay, ang future po natin will be the Amazon of network marketing. Alright? Di ba? Yun yung pwedeng papuntahan natin. Okay? So nakikita nyo ba, na-vision nyo ba? Okay? Imagine mo si Amazon, 200 million na po yung kanilang members. Okay? Ayan. And ang tagal na po nila. Okay? Kasi nga ganun yung concept nila. And ganun din tayo. Yun yung future natin dito sa Live Good. Alright? And yan. Members save big with our membership model. Yan. So club membership po ito. The membership that pays. Ayan. Di ba? Nagsusubscribe tayo sa YouTube. Sample na natin. Right now, sa mga nakakalam, 1 million plus members na po tayo. In just 13 months. Grabe, wala pong company ever sa balat ng lupa na nakahit ng ganun. Okay? Millions of members in less than in a year, no? Or 1 year and 1 month, no? Wala po, as in, grabe. Okay, only Live Good. Ayan. And to tell you ito, like itong YouTube Pro. Okay? So, para syempre, wala kang ads. So, magsusubscribe ka niyan. Okay? Ayan, 30 million na po yung members niya. Amazon Prime. Okay? Para mayroon kang free shipping. Ayan, Prime Videos. Ayan, so nagsusubscribe din. 161 million members na sila. Netflix. Di ba nanonood tayo ng mga movies sa Netflix? Oh, nagsusubscribe din monthly or yearly. 200 million members. Subscribe Costco. Para magkaroon ka ng discount doon sa kanilang physical or online store. Millions of members na po meron sila. Disney Plus. Okay? Oh. Yung Disney Plus po, millions of members na rin. Pero magsusubscribe ka monthly. And to tell you, yung mga companies na yan, wala po silang binabalik sa'yo na kita. Ikaw lang yung labas ng pera. Pero wala silang binibigay sa'yo na kita. Alright? And here's the good news. Dahil nandito ka, good news, bakit? Si Live Good, ang pinakauna-unahang club membership that pays. Yes, babayaran ka po. Paano? Okay, tune in ka lang kasi later on, ipapaliwanag po natin kung paano. Alright? So right now, we have over 20. Yes po, 20 life-changing products. Siyempre, di ba? Kasi pag ginamit mo to, talagang mag-change talaga yung life mo. Yan, especially on the health aspect, no? Highest quality products, purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. Yan, here's the sample ng mga products natin. And of course, made in the USA. So, ano naman natin pag USA? So, no questions asked yan. Quality pa sa quality. Right? And certified by the GMP and USDA. Ayan, GMP, di po yan basta-basta guys, no? Good manufacturing practice, pati sa USDA, no? Ayan. So USDA, United States Department of Agriculture. So, syempre dahil natural products po tayo, hindi po tayo medicine, guys, ha? Okay? Ayan, kay USDA. Ayan. So, ito rin ay lab tested for purity and potency. So, meron akong papakita sa inyo na sample ng ating mga tests, no? And yan, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. Alright, so yung sinabi ko po sa inyo kanina, no? Ayan, so right now, ayan yung nakaraang taon, ayan, nung 2023 ito po yung mga new products natin, okay? CBD pain relief cream, the patches, energy or sleep, the collagen peptides, and methylene blue, nootropic dissolving strips, and creatine plus HMB. So may kanya-kanya po yung mga benefits yan sila, alright? Ayan, so hindi pa ako magpa-product demo dito. So we have our website. So pwede nyo pong bisitahin www.livegood.com. So andun po yung mga information ng ating mga products. Okay, so yan. Actually, kaka-release lang po nito ang ating essential oils. Ayan, so marami po yung benefits, no? Ayan, sa health natin. Okay, ayan, so highest quality products and beatable prices. Alright, so you can visit our website din, okay, para malaman nyo po about more information about this one. And ito naman po, vitamins for children. Ayan, mga gummies. Hand-selected special ingredients. No artificial colors or other harmful ingredients. And coming soon na po yan, guys. And narinig ko nga po, no, hindi ko lang nalagay dito, paparating din po ang ating cleaning products, no? Ayan, yung mga ginagamit natin sa bahay. Diba? Sa paghugas, sa mas malaking value ang ating membership po talaga dito, as in grabe talaga. Okay, kaya abangan natin. So here's our certificates of analysis, guys, para for awareness na kung gaano ba ka ganda and quality mga products natin. Okay, so ito lang po actually yung nagbubukod tanging company na nagpapakita ng kanilang certificates of analysis. Okay, kasi I think meron din naman iba pero private, baka siguro takot na malaman na merong mga pala dyan, mga hindi magandang nahalo dyan sa ingredients. No? So each product of Live Good is tested and approved under a recognized laboratory, Alternative Labs 4740S. As in guys, open po ito in public. You can visit again our website www.livegood.com. Nandun po sa baba, certificates of analysis. So ma-access nyo po dyan ang ating analysis. Okay? And to tell you, hindi po ito gawa-gawa ni Live Good. Sabihin, lang yan, gawa-gawa lang yan. Hindi po. Ibang entity po yung nagtetest ng mga products natin. So if you have mga kilala na sa medical field, ating mga chemist, so alam po yan nila basahin. Okay? Ayan. So, ganun tayo ka-confident. So, transparent po talaga yung company natin. Okay? So, our products are also, ayan, sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, GMP certified. And hindi lang po isang area tinitingnan ng GMP, Andiyan po location, machinery, processing, sanitary maintenance, personnel, and many more. So, mahigpit po talaga, hindi basta-basta. Okay? Kaya ma-ensure mo talaga na once na nag-take ka of high quality, and of course, magkakaroon ka ng magandang effect sa health mo. Okay? And of course, meron tayong iba't ibang mga certifications. Itong caffeine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, soy-free, third-party lab tested, yung shinare ko sa inyo kanina na certificates of analysis. Yun po yun. And 100% vegan, GMP certified, keto-friendly, non-GMO, nut-free, and USDA organic. And of course, sugar-free. Yan. So, that means na high quality, walang insecticide, pesticide, herbicide, okay? Or mga yeast, molds, ayan, or even mga heavy metals, mercury, ayan, lead, ayan, na, pag tinik natin, makakasama sa atin. So, wala po. Okay? Of course, of highest quality, natural ang ating mga products. So, again, make sure mo na once na nag-order ka, take guys that of quality and organic mga products natin. Ayan, okay? So, we have wellness for all. So, may iba't ibang categories tayo sa ating mga, syempre, iba naman tayo ng pangangailangan, di ba? So, of this men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, weight management, and energy. Ayan. So, that means, guys, na syempre, kung ano yung kailangan ng health mo, so yun lang din yung i-order mo. Alright? And to tell you, sabi pa nating CEO, in 2 years, 2 years mahigit is, magkakaroon po tayo ng at least mga 200 plus na mga products and soon mga services din. Kaya nakaka-excite kasi lahat ng pangangailangan natin, alright, like kagaya ni Amazon, nagsimula lang sila sa libro, right now they almost have everything. Ganun din po tayo. Okay, lahat ng pangangailangan natin dito, high quality and of course very affordable natin mabibili dito. Ayan, alright. So paano tayo mag-order ng products? Dalawang nag-order dito, order ka as consumer or member. Pag consumer ka, you pay retail low prices. And pag nag-member ka, much lower yung makukuha mo o mabibili mong products dito. Yung price niya. Alright? And itong sobrang na-appreciate ko guys kasi si Live Good, available po siya in over 200 plus countries. Literal. That means na in 200 plus countries, magagawa natin negosyo. Okay? Makaka-receive tayo ng products natin. And at the same time, makakapag-payout tayo. Alright? O may iba nag-claim, na sila, global. Okay? Pero paratingin nyo nga yung products nyo. Yan sa Germany. Ayan, sa Europe. Sa Singapore. Sa US. Ayan, yung iba, hirap. And meron nga ako na narinig din na illegalities. Yan tayo guys to tell you, hindi pa po nag-launch si Live Good globally. Na siya, global ready na. Okay? Yung 200 plus countries. Ganun katindi. Hindi mo naisipin yung legalities. Di ba? Kumbaga, iba nawawalan sila ng millions of millions na siniship nila yung products. Dito guys, hindi masasayang kasi darating po talaga yung products. Okay, as in. Sulit po, di ba? Alright, ayan po guys, no? And, okay, pag nag-member ka, you save up to 75%. Hindi pa tayo 75% off, Pag compare ng company. And to tell you, ayan, alam naman po natin yung story ni David and Goliath, tama po ba? Ayan, so si David po, tayo po yun si Live Good. Ayan, and si Goliath po, siya po yung price gouging MLMs. Yan po yung companies na nagpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki ng presyo sa mga products. And ito guys, this is not to badmouth or to bring other companies down or siraan sila. Pero we're just here to tell you the reality or the truth. Actually, kailangan po kunin yung commission ng mga distributors, mga top earners, okay? Pampasweldo sa mga country manager, empleyado, okay? Even kita ng company owners, bayad sa mga artista, sa mga advertisement, sa mga billboard, mga event, guys, and many more. Doon kinukuha sa products. Yung mapapansin mo, ang products sa direct selling talaga, may natin sa hindi mahal. Di ba? Bisa sabihin pa sa atin na, hindi mahal to kasi high quality. Diba? Pero ang reality talaga, dun kinukuha yung komisyon. Kaya mahal po talaga, literal. Alright? No. Diba? So, may mga kumita, yumaman din, pero titingnan natin statistics. According sa ating CEO ha, okay, disclaimer, this is from our CEO. Okay, siya mismo nagsabi na, siyempre, siya yung mga may-ari. 95% pag ganun yung model, kukunti lang, 95% ang sakto lang or wala talagang kita. Okay? Yung kumikita lang talaga ng maganda, that means sa 6 figures per month is 1% lang. Diba? Oh, yun yung sa reality. At yun yung gustong baguhin ng ating CEO. Kaya ginawa po itong Live Good. Alright? Oh. So, wala tayong magagawa pag hindi sila mag-adapt, yung iba. So, unti-unti silang matutumba. Okay? Unti-unti silang magiging obsolete. Okay? Kasi, syempre, sabi pa nga, change is the only constant thing in the world. So, ang tao ngayon nagiging wise na. Naghahanap po tayo ng affordability and value. Okay? Yan. Kaya sabi ng ating Director of Network Marketing si Noder, the days of selling overpriced products to a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Tapos na po yan, guys. Yung mga ganyang mga moves. Yan. So, tapos na ang kanilang maliligayang araw. Okay? So, ganun talaga. Okay? Kailangan maging adaptive tayo. Alright? So, pag hindi sila mag-adapt, sorry na lang. Okay? So, gaano ba ka-affordable mga products natin? Okay? O, sample tayo, no? Kung gaano kaganda. O, sample natin itong essential oils natin. Ayan. So, yan. Compare natin sa ibang company, no? So, we have here our, 6. Sa kanila, 6 din, no? Pero tingnan mo naman yung price. Okay? Sa iba, binibenta 210 to 250 plus dollars. Sa atin, magkano? 6 din. High quality. Of course, matindi yan kasi, syempre, meron tayong certificates of analysis din yan. Okay, magkano lang? 49.95. Grabe, guys. Diba, magkano tipid mo? Ang laki. Okay na mag-compute. Diba, maraming health benefits din yan, guys. Diba? Ayan, sa mga, may sakit yung ulo, yan, depression din, anxiety, ayan. So, marami pong benefits dyan, okay? Ayan, and itong Super Greens naman po, no? Ayan, sa ibang company, binibenta nila $70 to $100. Okay, parang pare-parehong lang din, ingredients, but I believe mas quality yung sa atin, okay? Pero, tingnan mo naman yung price, $18, $18. Kaya guys, presyo pa lang, no, tapos na yung laban. Tapos na yung boxing. Di ba? Kung ikaw syempre papipiliin, doon ka sa affordable quality na, affordable pa. Di ba? Ito naman ating collagen peptide. Sa iba binibenta $70 to $80. Sa atin, 27.95. Di ba? Laki na tipid, di ba? Itong ating creatine, 19.95. Ayan, good for the muscle and sa mga nag-workout din. Okay, for the brain. Ayan, yung creatine po natin, 50 to 65. $65 sa ibang company. Sa atin magkano? 19.95 lang. Kaya no wonder pag yung mga tao, lalo especially sa US din, nakita nila yung ganitong ganitong kaganda, no, na products and affordable, ay lipat talaga. Okay? Hindi lang doon pati dito sa Pinas. Okay? So, 'di ba? Kasi value talaga in-offer ng company. Alright? And ito naman po, kung kanina, other companies yung comparison natin, ito naman po, for our member and retail price. Ayan, yung ating international wellness pack. And ito guys, I think, ngayon, no? Free shipping to. Ayan, free shipping. Pag retail price, 129.95. Pero pag nag-member ka, 89.95 lang. Alright, ayan, nasa nandiyan yung mga pinaka-paborito natin na yun. Super Greens, paborito natin yan. Factor 4, Super Reds, multivitamins, ayan. Okay? Diba? Ito naman na ating coffee. Pag retail, 24.95. Members price, 17.95. Diba? Ang nito guys, ang sabi hindi ma-update sa chan. Okay, so dumating na po yung ating product. So, ayan, nakita nyo yung post natin sa mga members na dyan. Alright. Ito naman, Ultra Magnesium Complex. Yan, paghirap ka matulog, guys. Alright. Ito, maganda sa'yo. Okay? Yan, retail price 14.95, members price 8.95. Yan, CBD oil for pets. Yan, retail natin 19.95, $14 lang pag nag-member. Okay, 750 I think, or 500 mg. 300, tama ba? 300 milligram, okay? Ayan, D3K2 natin, ayan. So, sa mga hindi, sa bara sa bahay lang, yung hindi nakakapagpaaraw, ayan, goods yan sa inyo. Okay, sa atin pala. Okay? Ayan, so retail price 13.95 and pag member ka 8.50. 60 capsules na po yan. Alright? Multivitamins natin for men's and women's 14.85 and pag na-member ka 9.95. Mga around 500 plus lang. 60 capsules, high quality. Diba sa'yo binibenta magkano? 1.5, 2,000, 2.5. Diba? Ganon kalupit. Okay? Oh. So, to tell you guys, may evolution po lahat ng negosyo. Okay? So, yung kasabihan that change is the only constant thing in the world. Yun lang yung hindi natin makokontrol at yung continuous talaga yung change. May evolution talaga, di ba? Pansin nyo dati, newspaper, eventually naging radio, TV, yung pag-access natin ng information. And right now, hindi na yung laptop, yung mga smartphone, tablet. Isang tap mo lang. Kahit nga voice command lang, no? Ayan, di ba? Oh, hey Google, hey Siri, di ba? Can you search? Di ba, can you identify this song? Di ba, ang bilis? Okay? Oh, yung pagbili natin, dati barter, eventually naging market, supermarket, and right now, dito na po yung e-commerce. Ayan, Amazon, eBay, Alibaba Shop, Lazada, TikTok Shop, ayan, and marami pa, no? Ayan, kumbaga kahit nasa bahay ka lang, matatanggap yung order mo. Okay? And same with the concept of the business of direct selling. Right? So, dati, old multi-level system, breakaway system, okay, dumating na po yung binary. Okay? Yung left, one right. Okay? Left and right, all right. Ayan, and multiple heads, parami ng ulo. Kasi paramihan daw, parang maraming branch. Paramihan ng palakihan ng para mas malaking kita. Yan. And nag-evolve po, hybrid binary multiple systems. Multi-level system, I mean. Okay? So, marami ng tweak. Ayan, may stair step, ayan, may pairing pa rin, mayroong multiple, may one account, and many more. Pero same story lang din. Price gouging. Yung commission, doon pa rin kinukuha sa products wherein doon nagsisimula yung pahirap. And to tell you, andito na po si Live Good, affiliate marketing with subscription that pays. Right? So ito po yung makabagong, kumbaga technology, a new technology. Ayan. Okay? Na talagang sobrang marami talagang magbe-benefit at matutulungan. Okay? So sila, pag hindi mag-adapt, wala tayong magagawa. Sabi pa niya, if you don't evolve, you dissolve, you evolve, or you evaporate. Kasi alam naman natin, hindi na yan bago kahit nung unang mga panahon pa. Di ba? O, sampulan natin, si Nokia. Diba? O, ang lakas, sobrang lakas. Grabe. Meron pa siya isang cellphone na sold worldwide na hindi pa nare-record up until now. But what happened to them? Hindi sila nakapag-adapt. Dumating si iPhone, si Samsung. Diba? Ayan, dumating yung nagkaroon na in-introduce yung touchscreen, no? Na cellphone. Hindi nag-adapt yung Nokia. What happened? Existing pa naman, pero hindi na masyadong kilala. O si Kodak. Ayan. Ang story daw niyan is may empleyado sila na in-offer daw yung yung digital camera sa kanila. Okay pa naman to, 'di ba? Yung yung film, 'di ba? So hindi lang nila neglect lang nila yung idea na ganun. So in-offer yung idea na yun sa competitor nila. All right. Guess who? Ayan. Si Sony. Ayan, siya po yung nag-adapt ng digital cameras. Ayan, nasa na si Kodak. 'Di ba? So, ayun guys, talagang pag hindi nag-a-adapt talaga, mapapag-iwanan. Okay? Kahit yung Blockbuster, no, yung VHS, no, yung mga tape, ayan, nirerentahan, no, dumating si Netflix. Tape din yun dati actually, nag-start sila at 1990s, tape din yun, pinarerentahan. Naisip nila, mas maganda online. Ayun. So, ngayon, tingnan mo, Netflix nag-dominate po talaga. Pinakamalakas na online streaming platform. Diba? So, di na yan bago guys, no? Even nung pandemic, yung mga hindi nakapag-adapt online ng mga companies, look at them right now, completely closed. Alright? So, yun guys, kumbaga, why am I telling this to you? Para maging wise ka, na kung gusto mong pang long term, dun ka na sa nakikita mo talagang may future. And, tatagal talaga. Hindi magiging obsolete. Okay? And ito po yung Live Good, ang new technology. Kumbaga ito yung bagong iPhone. Ayan. Okay? 'Di ba na-introduce sa atin, 'di ba? Na kinabaliwan nung una, 'di ba? Nung 2010, I think 2008 ba 'yun na-introduce? 'Di ba? Yung unang iPhone. Okay? So ayun guys, no. So ngayon, Ano bang concept natin? Simple lang, subscription. Okay? So, simplihan ko lang yung explanation, no? Ano ba yung subscription na yan? Or yung club membership? Ito yung business model in which customer pay weekly, monthly, or yearly kapalit na ano? Products or services. Okay? So, customers can renew their subscription after a certain period of time. Yan. So, as subscriber, pag nagbabayad ka, okay? So, nakuha mo yung benefit. Alright? Like, yung mga of course, yung mga nakasubscribe sa mga like Wi-Fi, ayan, yung mga internet, no? Ayan, mga cable sa TV. Alright? Even ang, ano natin, ang paglo-load natin, di ba? SIM card, SIM, Subscribers Identity Module. Papaload tayo, nagre-register tayo ng promo. Tawag sa atin subscriber. Even yung kuryente tubig, subscription na rin yan kasi na-enjoy natin benefits in offer, di ba? Oh. So, bakit importante ito? Kasi na-enjoy natin yung benefits ng subscription, di ba? O sino dito gusto mo walang kuryente, tubig, ng internet, di ba? Kasi naging necessity na sa ngayon, sa panahon natin ngayon eh. And it also increased customer loyalty and strong customer base. Yung tao, naging loyal and syempre nag-stay kasi nga, kailangan. Okay? Okay. So, ngayon, anong advantage ito? It lowers the barrier to entry for products and services and allow more potential customers to purchase your product. Okay? So, yung tao talaga, mag-stay and of course, kasi very affordable po yung, yung products and service na ino-offer eh. Okay? So, mag-stay talaga. Okay? Yung mga tao. And pang long term. Alright? So, ngayon guys, ito pa yung other samples na ating mga subscription or mga club membership like itong Netflix, HBO Go, Amazon Prime, and monthly or yearly yan nagbabayad. Itong gym, okay, di ba nagbabayad yan monthly. Ayan, tapos para may gym yung facilities and lahat ng merong branches sila, pwede mo ma-access, no? Gold Gym, Fitness First, Anytime Fitness. Di ba? O ito naman, yung mga security and life plans. O di ba? O, nagbabayad din monthly. Para para if ever may matsugi or may mangyaring di maganda, meron ka makukuha benefits. So, yun po yun sila. Okay? And guys, I'll tell you, this is the next big thing. Okay? Ito, isang article na na-search natin, Continuous Rise of Subscription-Based Businesses. So, hindi ko pa babasahin lahat, no? But I'll tell you, gaano kalaki itong negosyo ito? Gaano kalaki itong subscription or club membership industry. I'll tell you, sabi pa nga dito, no, the size of market opportunity of subscription businesses is enormous. Talagang sobrang laki talaga. Okay? Kaya, guys, gusto kong, lalo sa mga first-timers, I don't want you to miss this. Okay? Sabi pa dito, according to a report by McKinsey and Company, the global subscription industry is expected to reach $2 trillion by 2025. Guys, hindi yan pesos. That is dollars. We're speaking of $1 trillion. Ganun kalaki ang industry ng subscription. Magdududa ka pa ba? Matatakot ka pa ba? Imaginein mo, di ba, by 2025, kumirot lang yung, kumurot lang yung ating company, si Live Good, sa ganyang laki na industry. Di ba? Nakasabay ka, tinabaho mo magkaning pwede mong i-benefit. Kitain din. Ganon kalupit, no? O, ano pa? Okay, ito. Ayan. So, Netflix, no? Netflix revenue for the 12 months ending in September. Yan. Grabe guys. Last year, 2023, umabot po ng 32.7 billion. Ganon kalaki, guys. Diba? Yung iba, hindi nila napapansin, nababayad sila ng 300, 500 every month. Pero ang yaman na pala ni Netflix. Diba? Sabihin na lang natin kalahati dyan, 15 billion na gastos. O, meron pa siyang 16 billion. O, meron pa siyang 16 billion. Diba? Grabe, ang yaman talaga. Diba? So, ito pinapakita ko lang sa inyo para makita nyo kung gaano kalaki yung industry ng subscription or club membership. Itong Zoom. Okay? Na-enjoy natin dito. Siyempre, mahabang oras sa pag-uusap natin. Ayan, hindi tayo napuputol. Okay? Makikita nyo from 2018 to last year. 2023, tingnan po yung revenue. Okay? So, numbers don't lie. Palaki ng palaki yung revenue nila. Diba? Yan po yung future natin. Amazon Prime. O, last 2022 pa to, no? Ayan, umabot po sa subscription fees pa lang, binabayaran monthly or yearly ng tao, umabot ng annual revenue niya, 35.22 billion. Ganun kalaki, guys. Ganun kayaman si Amazon. May-ari niyan. O lalo itong Costco. Okay, alam niyo ba na konti lang yung kinikita ng company sa mga binibenta nila doon. Meron sila pero malit lang. Okay, kasi yung enjoy mong benefit sa Costco, sa atin Landers SNR, ayan, is yung discount. Yan. Okay? Billions of 200 plus billions din yung revenues. Yung tingnan nyo naman po yung trend. Palaki ng palaki ng palaki. Kaya lang tanong, sa mga subscriber, Netflix, Zoom, Amazon Prime, or even sa Costco, may kita bang binalik sa'yo nung nagsusubscribe ka or naging club member ka? Yun lang. Wala, di ba? Pero what if? Tanong kita, what if may isang company, same concept na negosyo, club membership, but this time around, bibigyan ka naman po ng part or kumbaga dividend or share ng company. Yan. Gusto mo bang tingnan ito? Alright. So ngayon, if you're ready, okay, welcome. Yan. Ang tatanungin kita ulit, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or, and highlight ko lang or more per month? Ayan. Sinong gusto? Ayan. Type nyo naman dyan. Me. Okay, type mo. Sinong gusto kumita ng ganun? Ayan. Sino naman ayaw, no? Ayan. So, for those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. So, nandito na po tayo sa exciting part, guys. Alright? So, ngayon, now we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. So, first time po sa industry ng direct sales na ganitong klaseng kitaan din na comp plan na hindi pala, pwede palang hindi kunin yung, whole commission, buong commission dun sa products. So, saan kinukuha? Yan. So, yan i-discuss natin. Okay, so paano maging member? Alright, so balikan mo yung tao nag-invite sa'yo, register ka sa link niya, and you pay $9.95 on your monthly yan. Okay? Ayan. And discount, makakapag-discount ka if you pay annual. Alright? And you buy products at wholesale price or members price. Okay? And sa unang buwan po ay magbabayad po tayo ng $49.95 or around mga 2,900 mahigit. Alright? Yan po. Tapos yung monthly, yan po. $9.95 na lang yung subscription natin. Yan. So, para tayo maging, mag-continue natin yung benefits na ina-offer na Live Good. Alright? So, ngayon, itong $49.95 po na sinasabi ko sa inyo, ayan. So, baka iba mag-expect may, coach, mayroon ba yung what do you call this one? Meron ba yung products, no, na makukuha? What I mean is, meron bang physical product? Yun tatanong. Actually, wala pa po. Sabihin ko na sa inyo straight, wala po. Kasi nga club membership ito or subscription. Yung products dito, bibilin pa lang. Kasi nga hindi ka dito bibentahan. Okay? Pero nung ma-enjoy mo yan, panalo pa rin kasi ma-access mo yung membership club. Right? So, lahat ng benefits dito, makukuha mo na ino-offer and digital marketing products. So, lahat ng products natin online. Ibig sabihin, pag mag-order ka, kahit nasaan ka man sa mundo, okay, marireceive mo yung products natin. Alright? And you can also participate in the compensation plan, yung kitaan. Alright? Ayan. And yung payout natin, pwede po direct deposit, payout, or BitPay. So, ano pa yung ibang ma-enjoy natin? Like itong websites. Nako guys, sobrang sulit. Why? Website pa lang, ang ganda. Ang ganda pagkagawa talaga, pinag-isipan, no? So, andyan po lahat ng benefits, in-offer na yung pricing, and even videos, no, ng ating mga products, nandyan na po nakalagay, retail site. Okay, so yan, pagka meron kang mga kakilala, yan, kamag-anak, gusto mong, bentahan, so pwedeng isend mo na yan. Hindi ka na literal na nagbebenta-benta, dadala ka lang pa. Hindi. Okay, yan na. And the best part, e-commerce plus drop shipping ready. Company na bahala mag-ship, pag-pack, mangolekta ng bayad, ikaw, tagatanggap na lang ng komisyon. The best, di ba? Ito naman, Powerline landing page. So, dyan po tayo nagpapa-member. Yan. Okay. So, yan po guys, no? Lalagay lang po natin dyan yung ating first name, last name, email. So, meron po tayong reservation of account or reservation of position. Right? Tapos, meron din tayong, pag-lock-in ng position natin. Which is, ituturo po yan. No? So, nandyan po yung about sa ating company. Right? And Super Greens landing page, Super Reds. Right? So, hindi ka na mahirapan mag-explain kasi may nag-explain na para sa'yo ang ating Greens and Reds Yan, pagka nagustuhan nila, pwede sila mag-order. Yan, tap lang nila, order now. Ayun na. Ayan, okay. And the compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful, dalawa na lang po dito. Wala na tayong pairing-pairing dito. Okay? Ayan, na balancing of legs, wala na po. Unilevel and force matrix na lang po. Yan, very powerful yan guys. Okay, so explain natin yan. And right now, we have 8 ways to earn. Dinagdagan pa po ng isa. Grabe. Yan, so ano po yung makita natin? So sa Unilevel part, andito po yung weekly fast start, retail commissions, influencer bonuses, customer acquisition bonuses, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. And sa kabila naman po is yung matrix commissions. And makikita nyo, sa gitna matching. Yan po ay hybrid. Ibig sabihin, kinumbine po yung dalawa, yung matrix tsaka yung Unilevel earnings. Itong number 1, ito tinatawag namin quick money. Ayan. So, mabilis na kitaan talaga. So, if you want na bumilis dito, yan. Ito pong bagay sa iyo. Ayan. Fast start bonuses. Ang fast start po, one-time bonus lang po yan na $25. Kalahati po ng ating unang membership plus affiliate fee natin, which is ito pong $49.95. Okay, imagine mo, ito lang po yung company nagbigay ng 50%. Kalahati. Kalahati ng $49.95, $25 binigay po sa mga affiliates. Grabe, no? Oh. Di ba? Oh, sample nito, ito. For example, nakapag-refer ka this week, 4. So, in the following week, meron kang $100. Ganun po. Okay, every time na mag-refer ka. Ganun kalupit. Alright? And itong quick money or fast start bonuses natin, infinite wide po yan. Ibig sabihin, unlimited yung pwede mong i-refer, i-direct dito, or ipa-join. Okay? And 10 levels deep yan depending on your rank. Right? Ayan. So, makikita nyo po yan up to 10 levels po yan. Okay? So, ngayon, bigyan ko kayo ng idea. Ito po yung sample computation. Coach, worth it ba siya trabahuin? Ayan. May nagtatanong na iba, worth it ba siya trabahuin? Kasi baka masayang lang effort ko. Ayan. So, yan. Bigyan kita ng computation para maliwanag sa'yo. Dito guys, ang kailangan mo, 5. Okay? Kailangan mo 5. 5 solid Ayan. 5 solid lang. O, bigyan ka ng computation And to tell you, for tayo proceed, this part alone can easily beat other comp plan design. Ito pa lang guys. Tatrabuhin natin to. Ito pa lang is can easily beat other comp plan design. Oh. Sample natin to from level 1 to 10 depending on your rank. Ang kailangan mo lang dito is at least 5 solid. Ibig sabihin, kagaya mo, nag-share ng business, nagpe-present din, okay? Nagpa-follow up. Kumbaga, yung galing mo, makakopya din nila. Galing. Okay? So at least 5 lang. So sa unang level 1 mo, 125. Tapos i-guide natin, tuturuan natin, i-mentor natin, yung 5 mo mag-refer din ng 25. I mean, nagde 5. So 25 na lahat sa level 2. Same din, 125. Level 3, nag-312.5 na. Level 4, $1,562.5 na. And up to level 10, no? Yan. 5 lang po. Okay, nag-duplicate. Alright, nag-duplicate. Kasi ang gani share Diba? So nag-duplicate power of 5. And to tell you, all in all, kikitain mo dito is up to $6.1 million. Dollars po yan, guys. Okay? Sabihin na natin 5 to 10 years, guys. Nangyari. 5 to 10 years, sulit ba? Kung kumita ka ng 349 million pesos. Ganon kalaki, guys. Imagine mo, ito pa lang. Kumbaga, indirect referral pa lang nakita mo. Panalo ka talaga. Tuturuan lang natin, i-guide lang natin yung team. Diba? Oh. Pero, itong good news kasi may iba, mas masipag ka kaysa sa'yo. Mas malaki pa yung pangangailangan nila kaysa sa'yo. Oh, makapag-refer sila, or sabihin natin ikaw muna, this 30. O, di ko na tinapos hanggang level 4 lang. So, 2M lahat. $2M yung pwede mo kitain pag power of 30. 2M lahat. And guys, hindi lang din yan 7, 8 figures, 9 figures pa rin in peso. That is 119 million pesos. Imagine mo guys kung anong buhay ang meron ka. Kumikita ka ng ganyan. Sino mga matutulungan mo? Diba? Grabe talaga, no? So ngayon, paano mag-rank up dito? Okay guys, ang hirap. Ganon kahirap. Yan. Yung bronze, 2 lang. Ganon kahirap, 2 lang. Bronze ka na. Ganon lang. And dito walang back to zero Okay, pag silver ka, may 2 ka na kanina, 'di ba? O, kailangan mo lang ng 18 para 20 directs. Silver ka na. Pwede namang number 2, 10 directs plus team of 20. Or number 3, 3 directs na bronze plus team of 20. Alright? And gold naman up to 6th level. 30 directs plus team of 100 or 3 of your directs ng silver plus team of 100 or 3 of your directs, 4 of your directs, yung tatlo, tig to 30 yung tao nila, yung isa 10, team of 100. Gold ka na. Sa platinum naman up to 8th level, okay? 100 directs plus team of 100. Alright? And, or di kaya, 3 of directs na gold plus team of 500. Or 4 of your directs, tig 150. Yung tatlo na may total team, isa 50, team of 500. Platinum rank ka na. Ganun lang. And again, walang back to zero ha. Oh, so may 500 ka na dito. Next naman, diamond. Oh, so kailangan mo na lang is 2,000. Yan, kasi may 500 ka na, di ba? Ayan. Alright, so dito naman, kailangan mo lang at least 3 of your directs na nag-platinum. Okay, na nag-platinum. So, 2-5, team of 2-5 lahat. So, yan. Yung first way. Second way naman, 5 directs mo, tig pa 500 sila. Okay, so 2-5 lahat, diamond rank ka na. Yun. Alright, yung crown diamond naman, at least 50,000. So, isa na lang po yung requirements. At least 5 legs mo or 5 directs mo na may tig 10,000, crown diamond ka na. Pwede namang 10, tig pa 5,000 or 20, tig 225. Yan, so crown diamond ka na. Alright, so ito naman, retirement money. Yan, earnings. So yan, tinatawag naming matrix commissions. Yan, so itong matrix commissions are 0.25. Baka mo ganda retirement, ang late naman yan, 0.25 lang. Pog muna. Okay, before ka mag-react, let me explain, okay? Yan. So, meron kang 0.25 cents or 14 pesos kada tao nagsusubscribe under you. Nagbabayad ng subscription. Itong matrix kasi, okay, nangyari niyan, multiple of 2 lang yan, 2 by 15. So, ikaw, times 2 ka lang. Ikaw, nasa first level mo, times 2 sila. Ikaw, nag-multiple of 2, di ba? Ikaw, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Okay? So, yan po. So, ngayon, paano napupuno yung matrix natin? Ganito po yan. Alright? So, system yung naglalagay dito ha. So, kunwari na wala ka pang refer, yung sa taas mo may ni-refer na, ang mangyayari, dito mo na ilalagay yung isang tao sa left mo. Okay? Tapos sa right naman. So, yung kikitain mo dyan sa first level, 0.50. So, pangalawa naman, sabihin natin nakapag-refer po yung first level mo. So, yan. Dito mo na ilalagay sa left. Okay? Pati din dito kung galing sa taas mo yung tao. So, left-right lang po lahat para mas maraming matulungan. Yan, okay? So, ngayon, yung retirement money po, ang maganda dito kasi every single month na po ito. Every single month. Okay, that means na, for example, unrank ka, either isa or wala ka pang refer. Pag napuno yung matrix mo, coach, kailan mo mapupuno? Depende. Di ko masasabi. Pwedeng 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Okay, depende sa sipag mo. Alright? Oh, so ngayon, kikitain mo is 2,047.50 once napuno yan. Every single month. Guys, every single month na po yan. And pag nag-rank up ka pa, dumodoble, 4,000, 8,000, 16,000. Yun po yung retirement kasi every single month. Okay, so, ngayon, may nagtatanong, coach, worth it ba? Ito sa mga happy subscriber, or should I say, abangers? Okay? Hindi ko kayo in-encourage na maging mag-abang lang kasi iba pa rin talaga pag tinatrabaho natin. Okay? Pero sulit ba siya? Okay, sabihin natin first, second, up to 12 level, no? So, makikita nyo dyan 2, 4, 8, 16. So, yan po yung maximum. Sa first level mo, wala kang makikitang 3, 4. Dalawa lang talaga. Okay? Same with second level, 4 lang. Wala kang makikitang 6. So, 2, 4, 8 hanggang total niyan is 8, 190. So, pagka napuno yung first to fourth level mo, minimum kikitain mo is $0.50 to $8. So, hindi pa siya enough para bayan ang subscription mo. Okay? Ngayon, pag umapaw na siya, okay, huwag ka lang mainip. Hanap pala ng hanap, share ka lang. Pagka umabot ng 5th to 12 level, minimum kikitay mo dyan 16, maximum $2,047.50. That is already enough to pay your monthly subscription. And now, you're in profits levels. Kumikita ka na po. Oh, the best, di ba? So ngayon, sabihin natin, let's say, no, sample lang na computation. Let's say na 1 year, napuno yung matrix mo, ginastos mo yung 6,000 plus. Okay, after 1 year, dun ka pa kumikita ng 113,000 pesos every single month. Ang tanong, sulit ba? Yes. Sulit na sulit. Okay? Oh, sabihin natin 3 years, guys. Sa 3 years na yan, ang magagastos mo is 20,000 plus. And after 3 years, ang kikitain nyo po dyan is 113,000 every single month. Ang tanong, sulit pa rin ba? Yes. Diba? Oh, let's say, worst, 5 years, guys. 5 years. ang ginastos mo is 33,000 pesos. And after 5 years, kumita ka po ng 113,000 every single month. Ang tanong, sulit pa rin ba? Of course, kahit actually 10 years, 12 years eh. Huwag kang gagastusin mo 60, 70,000. And after 5 years or after 10 years, kung kinikita mo naman 113,000, guys, ilang buwan lang yan, bawi ka agad yung nilabas mo. Kaya dito, ang negosyong ito ay hindi po para sa mga mainipin. Okay? Kailangan dito, syempre, kailangan pasensya talaga. Alright? Lalo na pag, nag-aabang ka lang, hindi pwede dito mainip. Okay? But to tell you guys itong 6,000, 20, 33,000, actually, hindi na po ikaw nagpapalabas niyan. Bakit? Hindi naman pupunuin yan, pupunain mo na yan para bayaran ka eh. Yung matrix natin, hindi. Kahit may isa ka dyan, 2, 10, 50, basta may tao dyan nagsusubscribe, babayaran ka na po. So, saan ito nanggaling? Itong lahat, 6,000, 20 to 33,000, dito po, 5 to 12 level. Kumbaga, siya na po nagbabayad sa sarili niya. Ang nangyari sa'yo, pensyonado. Okay? Oh. Diba? Sulit ba? Yes. Okay, basta, take note lalo na sa mga kakasimula pa lang, or sasali pa lang, wag ka mainip. Talo mainipin dito. Okay? Kung mainip ka, bye-bye, 113,000 a month. Oh. 'Di ba? Kahit pa 10 years yan, guys, 'di ba? Nabuhay nga tayo, ilang taon na tayo, 'di ba? Wala namang di naman natin yan kinita. 'Di ba? Nagbabayad tayo ng ibang mga bayarin, 'di ba? Kuryente, tubig. 'Di ba? How much more pa kaya ito? Okay? Kaya tip, guys, wag ka mainip. Okay? Kahit abutin ka pa 3, 5 years, even 10 years, guys. Sulit pa rin yan. Kung yan yung naghihintay sa'yo. Alright? Oh, pero, bakit namin i-encourage na mag-refer ka kaysa maghintay na lang? Bakit ka encourage namin? Aralin mo to, i-share mo sa iba. Okay? Kasi guys, pag nag-refer ka ng isang tao, kikitain mo weekly. Okay? Siya, napag-refer ka ngayon, nakapagpa-join ka, nag-register sa link mo, nagbayad ng $14.95, in the following week, kikita po ng $25. Okay? Oh, following week agad. Ngayon, kung nag-aabang ka lang, abangers ka, or sabihin natin busy, happy subscriber. Okay? So, para kumita ng $25 sa spillover or sa matrix, kailangan mo na malagay sa'yo 100 tao. Mabuti sana kung ikaw lang nilalagyan. Meron ding iba eh. So, medyo matatagalan. Kaya, bawal talaga mainip. Alright? O. Diba? So, anong gusto mo? Weekly, monthly? Weekly. Diba? Isang tao lang, $25. O ito, dalawang referral lang. $50 ka. And yung $50, ito weekly binibigay din in the following week. Right? Yung ito namang matrix, 200 muna katao. Okay? 200 muna dapat sa'yo. Diba? Di lang naman ikaw yung tao. Meron ding ibang kalinya mo. Lalagyan din. Okay? So, wag talaga mainip. Ito monthly binibigay, first Thursday of the month. $50 din. 200 muna katao, guys. My goodness. Kailangan mo na po yung level 7 mo. Okay? Kaya mas maganda, aralin mo, mag-share ka. Okay? There's no harm in sharing, 'di ba? Lalo na kung legal, moral, ethical ginagawa natin, 'di ba? Right? So, yan guys, aralin nyo and mag-share. Okay, wag na kayo maghintay ng mga spillover. Okay? Yan. So, ngayon, ito naman yung wealthy money. Ito talaga yung pinakamay malaking pwedeng kitain. Tinatawag nating matching. Ito yung pairing na without left and right. Hindi po. Itong matching bonus, 50%. Okay? Monthly bonus of 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Grabe. Grabe to guys. Okay? Sample natin For example, si Juan kumita $1,000. Na-refer mo dito. So, nakapag-build siya, talang leader siya, no? So, ngayon, kumita siya monthly commissions, matrix, $1,000. Magkano sa'yo? Kalahati nga, 50%, di ba? Magkano? $500. Si Pedro, kumita ng $500. Ito, 50 ka. Si Maria, kumita ng $100, may 50 ka. Si Marites, instead na kapitbahay, ibang tao, di ba? Kung kani-kaninong buhay ang chinichismis, silib good na lang. May kita pa. Nakakatulong pa sa iba. Kumita siya $200, ikaw may 100. Ang matindi nito guys, bakit? Infinite wide. Ibig sabihin, unlimited yung pwede mong pasalihin dito sponsor. Unlimited yung pwede mong i-match. Diba? Unlimited na 50%, 50%. Grabe talaga. Nakikita nyo ba? Na-visualize nyo ba? Okay? Ayan. So, itong wealthy money, to tell you, generational guys generational guys. Ibig sabihin, kung ilan yung ano mo, for example, may mga directs ka, and sa directs mo, may team na rin sila, nag-rank up, depending din sa rank mo, meron kang additional na kita. Kasi generation, hindi lang sa kanya, kundi sa entire, sa buong grupo niya. For example, nag-diamond ka. O, sa directs mo, may mga directs din siya, tapos may team. Meron ding mga nag-diamond sa baba nila. O, mangyayari, hindi ka lang 50%, meron ka pang 10, 5, 5, 3 sa buong grupo nun. O, malupit, matindi. 'Di ba? Ganon kalupit, guys. O, sampulan natin. Sample, directs mo 10. So, team of 10. So, matrix income nila, $300. So, may kalahati ka, 50. So, total income, dahil 10 sila, 500. So, may nag-silver. O, times 10 lang din, 100. So, $100 kinita sa matrix. O, tigte 10 yung matching mo, yan $10. So 10 times $100, so 1,000. So ito guys, no, all in all, okay, for example, may talaga, dumami. So yan yung pwedeng kitain, $39,000. Okay na mag-compute. Di ba? Alright. So ito guys, why do we encourage na unahin mo na family nyo? Okay? Pag kayang-kaya mo talaga, unahin mo guys kasi ito yung di mo pagsisisihan talaga. And buti na lang ako, ganun din ginawa ko. Okay, so ngayon, ikaw, napasali mo yung dalawang family, affiliate, okay, which is your family. Okay, magulang mo, asawa, anak, okay, depende sa'yo, alright? So, pag mapuno yung matrix mo as bronze, maximum kikitain mo is 4,095.50. Yung dalawang family member mo sa baba mo, pag napuno din yung matrix nila, magkano kikitain nila? Tig 2,047.50 silang dalawa. Okay, kaya 4,085. So may matching ka sa kanilang dalawa, di ba? Kasi tigo 1,000 ka. 1,000 plus dollars. So may 2,047.50. Imagine mo, kayong tatlo, darating yung time. Pwedeng 3, 4, 5 years, darating yung time kayong tatlo kumikita ng tumataginting na $10,238 or 573,000 monthly income. That is month after month after month after month after month. Guys, na-visualize nyo ba? Na-visualize nyo ba yung pwede mangyari sa'yo dito? Yung pwede mangyari sa life mo, sa family mo? Diba? Na hindi ka na problema ng pera kasi dito mo na kinukuha. Kasi tinabaho mo. Diba? Yan po yung future. Okay? Basta again huwag kang mainip. Alright? So, syempre, mas maganda, hatawin na natin. Okay? Instead na dalawa lang, mag-direct ka ng 20. Right? So, yung 20, sabihin natin happy subscriber. So, kikitain na kaya ng 20 na yun, napuno yung matrix na 2,047.50. Alright? And, syempre, dahil direct mo sila, may tig 1,000 plus ka na, matching. So, 20,000 plus dollars. Okay? So, magkano in pesos? That is 1.1 million pesos every single month. Guys, every single month na po yan. That is month after month after month after month after month. Imagine mo guys, kahit simpleng nanay, kayang gawin to eh. May mga marites, kahit bahay, di ba? Ano pumipigil sa'yo para gawin to? Di ba? Imagine mo, anong buhay meron ka? Pero hindi yan yung vision natin. Ito yung vision natin, guys. Yung vision natin, 100 solid direct referral. That means diamond. Okay, kikita yung diamond, 16,183.50. Okay? So may matching ka, 50%, 8,000 plus dollars. So ngayon, all in all, ang kikitain mo is $890.75 or 45 million pesos month after month after month after month after month after month. Guys, na-imagine mo ba anong life? Imagine mo, kahit 5M na lang nagagastos mo every month. Yung 40 na tabi mo. Anong buhay meron ka? Diba? Sino yung mga matutulungan mo? Na-visualize niyo po ba? Diba? Kasi I believe talaga sobrang dahil matutulungan ito eh. Diba? Government natin. Pwede tayo magpatay ng orphanage, home for the aged. Diba? Yung mga palaboy na. Grabe talaga. Grabe talaga. Imaginein mo. Ito, normal na lang yan. Kasi may kumikita ng, may kumikita ng, siyempre, mas malaki. $1M per month. Grabe. Na-imagine nyo po ba yun? Yan po guys, okay? So ngayon ito naman po, ito medyo updated na po ito. Ayan, so yan po yung ating leaderboard. So possible makapag-direct ng marami? Yes, of course. Yan na rin po yung ating leaderboard. Mayroon ng 1,130, 1,106, 600, 500 plus. So 509. Ayan, our very own Coach Fernan. Di ba? And marami pa. And nakasama na rin tayo dyan kahit pa paano. Okay? So yan po, leaderboard guys. Kung kayo na mag-compute kung magkano kita niyan. O, times ano nyo lang po yan. Times 25. Yan, times $25. Okay? Tapos convert nyo po yung peso. Alright? So, yan guys, no? Grabe, ang laki talaga. Imagine mo, nag-refer ka pa lang, kumita ka na ng 500,000 to millions of pesos. Okay? They get my point. So, ito naman po guys, no? Retail commissions up to 10 levels deep. Okay? The retail commission is a 50% bonus of the difference between members price and the retail price. So, for example po, no, is meron tayong product, sabi natin, no, yung patong ng products natin is $6, right? So, mangyari niyan, pag nakabenta ka sa retail shop mo, $3 sa'yo, $3 sa company. Ganon. Alright? And infinite wide din po yan. Ibig sabihin, unlimited yung pwedeng pagbentahan mo sa retail site mo and up to 10 levels deep depending on your rank. Ayan. Ito naman, influencer bonuses. Sa mga influencer, TikToker. Ayan. Pero, kahit di ka influencer, pwede ka rin dito. Okay? So, dito naman, you can earn up to 100% of the difference between members price and retail price. Oh. For example, itong, isang buwan, no, na hit nyo po yung quota na 50,000. Okay? So, instead na, di ba kanina sinabi ko sa inyo yung $6. Pag nakabenta ka sa retail site mo, 3 sa'yo, 3 sa company. Ang mangyari niyan, instead na hati-hati, since nakuha mo yung quota, may additional ka na 50% na commission. So, pwede ibigay sa iyo yung lahat. Yung $6. 50,000 yan. Magkano? Kaya yung pwede mong gitain. O, di ba? Ganun kalupit. Okay, and ito po ang bagong gitaan, the customer acquisition bonuses. Yan. When direct members place their first order product, 10% of that order is paid out as a customer acquisition bonus. Ayan. No, 10% nun. At the same time, the same structure as our fast start commission, retail commission. First order paid out on $300. So pag umabot $300, yun doon na bibigay sa yung commission. Yan ang initial order. All right? So ngayon, ito naman pa yung customer acquisition bonuses, infinite wide din, and 10 levels deep. All right? So ito naman po, piece of the pie money. Yan, para kang sharer. Ayan, shareholder ka ng company ni Live Good. Ayan, so lahat ng shares po from US, Europe, Asia, yan, Africa, lahat ng sales mo ng buong mundo, okay? Ng buong Live Good is that maghahati-hati po lahat ng diamond. Ayan, now for example, ayan, total monthly sales, umabot ng $15 million. 15 million times 2%, so $300,000. Sabi natin mayroong 60 na diamonds, that is $5,000 guys. Guys, that is yan, bonus lang po yan, $5,000. Grabe, saan mo yan pupulutin? Okay? Ayan guys, no. Ito naman, rich and famous money. Ayan. So meron tayong higher rank which is the crown diamond. Alright? And to tell you, yung kanina, 'di ba, yung crown yung crown diamond, yung diamond is yan 2%, ngayon is 0.5. So ito naman, total sales from all membership and product sales divided to all crown diamonds. So yung crown diamond natin right now is 2 pa lang. Sampulan natin, umabot ng $15 million yung sales. So $15 million times 0.5%, that is $75,000. Alright, so divide, 2 pa lang yung crown diamond, 1 from US, si Tim Miller, and the 1 nandito sa Pilipinas, our very own Coach Fernan Santiago. Alright, so silang 2 po naghati ng $37.5 thousand. Alright, so kayo na mag-compute magkano ba yan? 37,000.5. Okay, that is, grabe, 2.1 M. Grabe guys, sulit talaga. Paglagay natin effort dito, sobrang sulit. Alright, so let's proceed. So ito naman po yan, ito po yung customer acquisition, sinabi ko po sa inyo kanina. And here's the sample of our earners. Ayan, okay? So yung iba po dito, hindi ko na po na-update, no? So as of now, ayan, si Tim Miller, our top 1, I think, siguro, na yan, 1M na. Okay, $1M club. Imagine nyo, in 13 months, guys, grabe. Okay? In 13 months, meron kumita ng ganun. Ayan, si Coach Fernan. Okay, so, mahigit na yan eh. Higit 100,000 na rin. 200, 300, half million dollars. Okay, so, grabe guys. This is our future. Our future. Yung sa akin, di ko na po ito na-update. So, last, ano pa to? Nakarang buwan pa. Nung November. Alright, so guys, here's our future. But again, disclaimer yung result natin dito magdedepende sa effort natin, sa trabaho at sa time na ilalaan natin dito. Okay ba? Alright, so but don't worry kasi yan yung papupuntahan nyo rin. Okay, so yan guys, no? So right now, we have 1 million plus members in just 13 months. Grabe, breaking the record guys. Sa buong history ng buong mundo. Wala pong nakabit na record, no? 1 million in just, na company, alright? Sa direct selling especially, na in just 13 months, 1M members. Ito nga isang company, 30 years na, 267,000 yung members nila. Grabe! And to tell you, nasa tip of the iceberg pa lang po tayo. Yan po yung mga first 10 million subscribers. Alright? And yung pinaka buo talaga, nasa ICE, okay? Yung mega structure, yung 20 to 200 million subscribers will be joining in the years to come. And yung projection natin will be having 3 to 5 million subscribers in December 2024. Kaya guys, this is it. Okay? This is the next big thing. Okay? So, sa mga first-timers dyan, if talagang nag-observe ka, pinag-aral mo to, so, gawin niyo po ito. Lalo na kung naisip mo kung wala ka na, mas gawin mo to. Kasi bakit? Ano pang mawawala sa'yo kung wala ka na, di ba? Ayan, natatakot ka, nagdududa ka pa, okay lang, aralin mo lang. Alright? Ayan, sa mga na-scam na, no, na nabudol, ayan, na malaking pera, hundreds of thousands, 7 millions, try ka lang ulit dito. Magkano lang naman. Siguro hindi mo naman ikakahirap yung less than 3,500, less than 600 na subscription mo dito. Baka yan pa makatulong sa'yo, yan pa yung magpaangat sa'yo dito. Alright? Guys, this is, this will be the next Amazon, okay? Amazon of direct selling. Okay, so wag niyong i-miss, wag niyong pabutin mo pa ng 3 to 5 million na ulit tayo. Doon ka pa magjo-join. Kakilala ka mag-anak mo, member na ikaw hindi pa. All right? Ayan guys, kaya sa akin lang, okay? So gawin mo to, decide ka, malay mo. Baka ito na pa yung answered prayer mo. Okay, so if you join, we welcome you. But if you don't want to, so we're still friends. Okay, pero sayang naman. Okay, dalawa lang pwede kasi mong sabihin dito in the future, buti na lang or sayang. Okay, pwede mo sabihin, buti na lang sumabay ako. Grabe yung transformation nangyari sa akin. Diba? In my health, in finances, or sayang. Hindi ako nakasabay nung 1M pa lang yung members. Sana yung kinikita nila, kinikita ko na rin. Oh, nasa sa yung choice. Dalawa lang yan eh. Okay? It's either mag-yes ka, gawin mo to, aralin mo, gawin mo to, workout natin, kasama mo kami ng mga speakers, or mag-no ka. Okay? Maninod ka na lang sa mga nagkakaresulta, kumikita, nababago yung buhay dito. Okay? The choice is yours. Okay, guys, I'm not here to convince you kasi at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin mag-convince sa sarili mo eh. Ikaw pa rin talaga. Pero sayang naman, nandito ka na eh, di ba? Alright? So, looking forward, balikan mo yung nag-invite sa'yo. And syempre, i-workout natin. Alright? So, here are the top 5 remaining reasons why you should join Live Good. Number 1, we just officially launched globally. So, again guys, sinabi ko nga sa inyo sa pillar stage. Wala pa sa pioneer. Sa totoo lang. Ibig sabihin, pillar pa lang. Kaya yung poste pa lang talaga. Kaya, timing guys, timing is very important. Huwag niyong pabutin na 5 million na 10 million na members ng company. Doon ka pa sasali. Naku, di ba? Okay, diba? So, ngayon, here's the number 2, reasons then. We have the highest quality and very affordable health product. So, sinabi ko naman yun kanina sa inyo. And number 3, marketing system, tools, and trainings. So, ito, part po ito ng system natin and support, no? Na kahit di ka magaling, kahit wala kang idea, kaya mo magkaresulta, kaya mong kumita, i-plug in mo lang dito mga invites mo. And patulong ka rin sa sponsor mo sa pag-follow up and close deal sa mga mga prospects mo. Okay? And number 4, a simple, powerful, and yet lucrative pay plan. So talagang very generous, no? Very generous yung comp plan natin. Simple lang siya pero grabe po. Grabe mag-ano talaga. Grabe yung ibibigay sa'yo. Sobra-sobra. Once na lalo na tinatrabaho mo. Alright? And number 5 is we have a successful, fun, and winning team. Alright? Kasama po tayo doon na susuportan sa'yo along the way. Okay? Mag-guide sa'yo dito. Especially itong Zoom presentation natin. Okay? Isa po ito sa pre-provide ng ating Crown Diamond na sistema. Okay? Para masuportahan po natin, no? Na kahit ibang linya, iba-ibang tayong linya, isang grupo lang tayo, no? Isang company lang tayo, Live Good. So, you're all welcome. Alright? So, ngayon ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? So, if I were you, A ka na. Okay? Para wag na magsayang ng oras. Alright? So, get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C. So, thank you so much, guys. So, ito, last reminder ko lang. So, I know marami sa atin nagpe-pray. So, I leave you with this one verse. Sabi pa nga, no, sa Jeremiah, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in the future. So, if you really believe na kay God, nagpe-pray ka, ay paano, faith without work is dead. So, ngayon pinakita ito, maybe ginamit yung sponsor mo, yung nag-invite sa'yo, mapunta dito kasi may purpose si Lord sa life mo. Gusto niya makita to, makita mo, okay? Makita mo yung opportunity na to at matulungan magkaroon ka ng transformation sa'yo, kagaya na nangyari sa akin at karamihan sa amin dito. Okay, so with that, okay, so looking forward na maging part ka sa family namin dito sa DMW, Live Good Philippines, and mapagtulungan natin na ano man nangyari sa amin, mangyayari din po sa inyo. Okay? So, thank you so much guys. Looking forward na nagkaroon kayo ng value. Hopefully, nagkaroon kayo na talaga ng value sa pag-tune in sa akin ngayon. Alright? So, thank you so much sa inyong lahat.